Hey guys, good morning. Here GVR Talks Science and Technology. So today I'm going to show how to download the Inkspace for PC. So we have to go to the Inkspace. So this is here a few websites are coming. So first thing we have to go to the first link, which was the inkspace.org, and this is the landing page for Inkspace really. And so this is how it will look like. And for to getting download, we have to go to the downloads first, and we have to select the current stable version first. Unstable development snapshots and extensions are there, but we need to select the current stable version first. And yeah, one pop-up is coming. You have been redirected automatically to the best download. To see all available downloads, please go to all platforms. So we have to select all platforms here. So later in the step, an executable file for Linux. So Linux also is there, Windows and Mac OS. So whatever you need, you can download from there. So now I'm going to show here to download for the Windows. So Windows Microsoft Desktop. So you can see here which was a 64-bit architecture. So we have to select this one. The next step. And here install in a .exe format Windows install package and compressed archive in 7G format as well. So in this one we have to set the Windows install package for selecting this one. So here you can see download started. Thank you for downloading the space. So you can check my download section as well here. So it was Inkspace 1.4.2, which was around 144 MB. So it was about a minute I think so to download this one. Later I'll explain how to install this one. So you just comment you how you're going to use this Inkspace for your studies or academic purpose, whether research purpose, academic purpose, or something else, like whether you are doing any Photoshop and all. So you can. So here some videos I think so. Videos are there, basic tutorials, shape tutorials, and advanced tutorials. So bitmap tracing also. So calligraphy tutorial also. If you're really interested in calligraphy also, you can go with the calligraphy tutorial. Yes, it's really good actually. So if you don't go from here, you just go from the YouTube as Inkspace YouTube on the tutorials and YouTube as well. Logos by Nick Inkspace tutorials. So they also explain really well. And that's how it has happened. So some books also there, books and manuals also, keyboards and shortcuts for Inkspace. So some keyboard shortcuts as well for utilizing this Inkspace. I think if you are a new beginning for this Inkspace, so go to this basic tutorials. Later you go to shapes and tutorials and all. From there onwards you will be getting catch every time. No issue with this Inkspace and all. So we like the free available one. I don't know why what's wrong with this one. It was taking too much of time. So it was about 290 MB now. Let's see. After that, news also, some news also there. Contribute. If you guys want to contribute something, you can contribute for this Inkspace as well. Say and develop some bug management also is there, debugging also, some actions also is there. So we can see this basic tutorials as well here. For shapes tutorial as well. So basic planning that zooming in or zooming out, Inkspace tools for creating and managing the documents as well. So creating shape different stuff, the square, rectangle, the circle, different types of stars as well. You can select from here and moving, rescaling, updating as well the shapes what you have drawn there, and transforming by keys as well. So whatever you do in there, definitely keys will be playing a key role in this software as well. And multiple selections. So multiple selections also will play a key role, and we have to grouping them, and also sometimes we need to draw the graphical abstract or some images we have to be grouping. So we have to use this grouping section and fill and stroke. So shape, fill, and all things. For sure, these things will be available in uh, PowerPoint as well. So we can see that it was already installed. So next and next. and install, and yes. So just wait for some time. So completed space setup episode, then we have to select the finish. Let's see whether